Let's install United Pacific LED side marker lights for the 1973 through 1980 square body Chevy and GMC trucks. They also fit the rear fenders of square body dually trucks through 1991. Don't forget to install the United Pacific turn signal flasher that is required for proper operation. It simply replaces the original turn signal flasher. Installation is a snap, with a few tools required for the job, such as a Phillips screwdriver, wire cutters, a crimping tool, and a test light or meter. First, cut off the original lamp socket, then strip the wires as shown. The new LED side markers have 3 wires, one 12-volt positive for the running light, one 12-volt positive for the turn signal light, and a ground. Connect the new black and red wires to the original side marker wires, making sure that the black wire is connected to the running light and the red wire is connected to the turn signal. Using the test light or voltmeter is an easy way to determine the function of the original wires. Finish the wiring by drilling a hole and grounding the white wire to the metal body of the truck with a screw. Test the light. Once the 3 wires are connected, the light mounts to the fender with the original 2 mounting screws. Be sure to check out our other lights for your 1973 to 87 square body, like the LED sequential taillights, front LED turn signal, and 7-inch headlights, only at United Pacific. Visit upcarparts.com and upgrade your project today.